What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I'm cleaning up after our last video, and I have some leftover supplies, so we might as well make another quick backdrop and give an estimate on how much one of these rooms cost. But of course, that will vary depending on where you shop and which items you choose to buy. For our poster board rooms, I use poster board from Michaels that's $3.49. You can get poster board at the dollar store, but I like this one because it has a heavier weight. I bought some greenery at Michaels. It was on sale for $1.99, regularly priced at $3.99. I picked up artificial lavender at Michaels as well, on sale for 40% off, so it was like $2.40. I used a couple of glue sticks and printables from home, which does use printer ink, or you can go with scrapbook paper, and the cost will vary. And for the spine, I used this wide ribbon I found at Michaels, on sale for $5.99. I'm getting over 6 yards of ribbon, and I'm only using 14 inches roughly per room. So for buying the plants, the poster board, and the ribbon, it's less than $14. If you don't count the ribbon, then it's about $7.87. Now, about how much time does it take to make one? I don't know, but let's find out in a quick little montage. Roll it!
Uma história que a chuva levou todo equipamento, só deixou as roupas do varal, os limão do quintal e a pasta impermeável com os documentos. Eu disse à filha como é que vai ser, ela disse não sei o que fazer. Vem pra cá, bota ela no avião.
This took about an hour and a half. I added the ribbon onto the spine, and now we have a new backdrop for a little doll photography with a little Bridgerton-inspired vibe that took an hour and a half to make. Delivery! I picked up a few Barbie Fashionistas, number 243, 244, 246, and 247. These dolls are shiny and pixelated, which I have feelings about. But with this wave, we are getting 4 dolls with 4 different body types. 247 is petite, has brown eyes, a toothy grin, and a pink lip color. She has brown hair, it's pretty soft, and might need a little fluffing out of the box. She has a side part, wears a green and pink striped dress, with a white collar, an orange plastic watch, and white shoes. She has flat feet and the basic 5 points of articulation, with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. 246 is a tall Barbie with brown eyes, a pink lip color. She has dark brown hair with a center part. There's a beauty mark under the eye. She wears a plastic necklace that looks like a ribbon and an animal print dress with foiling. She does come with these dark red or burgundy boots, which I like, and the pattern on the dress does go all the way around. Doll number 244 is Curvy with flat feet. She has brown eyes, a pink lip color, wavy brown hair with lavender highlights. She wears a purple floral 2-piece outfit with green stitching. The top V's at the bottom and ties behind the neck with green ribbon, and it closes with Velcro in the back. The skirt has an elastic waistband, and she wears green platform sandals. Doll number 243 has blue eyes, a pink lip color, and a toothy grin. She has blonde hair with a center part, has the classic or original body type, with flat feet wearing pink loafers. She wears a pink, blue, and white plaid 2-piece outfit. The top looks like a vest. Then we have a matching skirt. The pattern continues all the way around, and both pieces Velcro in the back. And she comes with a removable plastic cast on her arm. Doll number 245 also came out around this time, and we reviewed her a while back. Doll 247 looks like she might match the You Create Barbie basics. Yeah, I think they might be pretty similar. But there's only one way to find out. Let's put the head on the You Create Made to Move body. I think it's a pretty good match. Maybe we can tone down her lipstick a little by painting it with a thin layer of brown paint, adding a little lip liner and gloss. I'm not the best at lip repaints, but I figure practice makes better. And she can still fit her dress, but it is a little shorter. Fashionista number 246 might work with the Barbie tennis player, but I can't just pull her head off. I do have to place it in water to warm it up, so I'll be right back. But while we wait, we can try her head on the You Create Barbie Basics Neutral Kit 3. Actually, the match looks pretty good. Here she is in the dress. It gathers a little at the waist, but I like it. I think she's super cute, and she can still fit the boots. So we're gonna keep her as is and add her head to the collection. I was at Five Below and I saw that they had new Strawberry Shortcake Teeny Tinies. This is the pastry cafe. It was $5. It comes with 20 pieces, including a pastry cart. Some of these items might be under scale for our 1/6 scale world, but they might work with Chelsea-sized dolls or Hey Bestie dolls. So let's see how they look in our Hey Bestie cafe. Here's the pastry cart that we have to put together. While it does have wheels that roll, I think it's too small for even Chelsea and might be a better size for a calico critter. Here it is with a Chelsea doll on a Five Below articulated Zoe body and a Barbie Extra Mini. We get a pink pastry tower, which can totally work with the dolls. We get a two-tone pink mixer with a strawberry sticker. Here it is with a Barbie. I think it's a good size for a Chelsea doll and Barbie Extra Mini. We get a Strawberry Shortcake to-go box made out of cardstock, a to-go bag with a sticker on it made out of some kind of plastic or vinyl. It's a large bag for a Chelsea doll and can totally work with a Barbie. We get a cake display. The top is removable. We get a cake that can fit inside. We get one pink macaron, one frosted cookie with strawberries on top, one donut, a strawberry roll. We've seen this before in other teeny tiny playsets. There's a frosted tart pastry. The frosting is a sticker. We get a croissant, which is totally Barbie-sized. We get a picture of what is labeled as strawberry milk, but it is clear like water with a sticker on the front. I'm just gonna remove the sticker and pretend it's water. We get a strawberry milk to-go cup with a sticker that goes all the way around. Now this one doesn't look too bad. We have a green measuring cup, a plastic recipe book. Now this could be kind of cute. We have a small menu and a strawberry shortcake figure, who is a good size for the cart. Oh yeah, and we have an open sign. It looks like we could totally use these to stock our Hey Bestie cafe, and most of the food items look like they will work with a Barbie. Five Below also had a Zoe Beauty bar, which is a 9-piece set including a doll for $5. The included Zoe doll has the basic 5 points of articulation, wears an oversized shirt with a printed apron, the sleeves are not hemmed, and it velcros in the back, and she comes wearing loose-fit pants with no opening, and a pair of plastic shoes. The clothes are a loose fit on a Chelsea-sized doll, and can totally work for the cafe. We get a salon chair that can tilt, and a station that is pink and gray, has a reflective tape mirror, a sink, storage with a door that can open, shelving, a handheld sprayer with a hose, and a flip-down hairdryer holder on the side. Let's take it out of the cafe so you can see it without any distractions. My articulated Chelsea can easily fit in the seat, and so can the Hey Bestie, although it is a little top-heavy. We get a pink blow dryer, a flat iron, scissors that are stationary, a little cup, a brush, and a spray bottle, which looks pretty good. The bottom of these two items looks similar to Barbie items that are designed to fit in their tables. I think some of the accessories might work with a Barbie, and the playset is a good size for Chelsea. But out of everything we've seen today, these Barbie Fashionistas on a made-to-move body are my favorites. But let us know what you think in the comments down below. Are any of these items a buy or a pass? And I just saw online that the packaging for some of the newer dolls will say Barbie style, since they're making changes. I hope that means we'll be saying goodbye to those pixelated faces as well. But we'll just have to wait and see. Thank you for joining us while we checked out a few Barbie Fashionistas. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!